Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for 22-23 batch and other batches. In this video, we will discuss about essential updated syllabus and exam pattern. You can crack essential exam in first attempt because soon we will share the preparation video with all of you that is related to the pseudo codes as well as the verbal parts coding section. Soon we will share video, but this video is related to what about the complete syllabus and exam pattern because exam date is announced 20 to 23rd July. What about the free resources and strategies? Let's start the video. Okay, so this video is totally related to the essential exam preparation, and in this video we are discussing about how to start preparation, what is the updated syllabus and pattern, what about the free resources and strategy. And tomorrow, okay, tomorrow in morning, okay, like about 9 to 10 a.m, I will post one video that is related to how you can crack the online test. Okay, that is related to the first round cognitive and technical. So basically the cognitive, technical and coding part is very much important, and there is one of the most important point. I will share the selected candidates experience. Okay, means she cleared the both round in first attempt. So basically, what about the essential exam process? So let's talk about the exam process. First, there is a mock assessment. You will get a 20-minute mock assessment, practice assessment. In the in the upcoming time, I will share one video that is related to mock or practice assessment. But one of the most important point, mock assessment is mandatory and it will ensure that you have the right hardware, software and internet because exam is online. Okay, so you have to attempt exam through the online medium. Most probably exam is online. This assessment will help you to get experience of the assessment. So there is a first examination of cognitive and technical assessment in which English, critical and abstract reasoning will check. These are the three sections here. There are the 50 questions, and second part is technical assessment in which MS Office, common application questions, pseudocode, fundamentals of networking, security and cloud. Okay, these all questions are related to the cognitive and technical assessment. Okay, so after that there is a coding assessment that is of 45 minutes and you will get two questions. Okay, and you can use any of the following language like C, C++, .NET, Java or Python. So basically these all are the MCQ question, and these all are the MCQ question, and the next is the coding question. So this is the complete exam pattern for the essential exam. Okay, one of the most important point, cognitive and technical ability section is very similar. So there are 50-40 question, but the timing is same. Okay, 90 minutes same for the cognitive and technical. They even mention that. Okay, they even mention for the cognitive and technical assessment, you will get 90 minutes to complete this assessment. So most probably. What about the coding exam? Okay, the coding exam is, there are the two questions and there is a timing of 45 minutes. Okay, so basically your first round, first round cognitive and technical ability. After that, second round is immediate. Means when you completed your examination, after 5 to 10 minutes, they will directly announce your result, and after that you will be move on to the coding part. Okay, communication part is very different. You will get a separate mail that is related to the examination. Okay, so if the timing is increase in the technical ability as well, so it will totally depends on the essential team, but most probably उन्होंने यहाँ पर ये मेंशन करा है तो उस हिसाब से हो सकता है आप ये कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर 5 4 90 क्वेश्चन है तो आपको पर मिनट मिलेगा एक क्वेश्चन करने के लिए, आप ये ध्यान रखिएगा. Okay, so what about the syllabus of cognitive and technical assessment? So in the English section, sentence correction, preposition, grammar, reading, idioms, speech, tenses, articles, this type of this all the syllabus are here, this all the sections are here. And critical thinking and problem solving section में blood relation से related questions आ सकते हैं, coding, decoding, analogies, inferred, logical sequence, and abstract reasoning में visual reasoning, directional sense, seating arrangement, flow chart से related questions आ सकते हैं. So basically this is related to cognitive part, and in the technical assessment there is no special syllabus, like there is a common application in MS Office questions, questions related to pseudocodes, question related to network security and cloud, and after that there is a coding assessment. So what about the strategies? Okay, don't worry about your examination, because soon we will share preparation video with all of you, and we are sharing previous year questions in our video. Okay, so you can easily solve that question, as well as you will get an idea to which type of questions is asked in the previous year of examination. Okay, as well as there is a resources plus strategy to crack exam, that is very important part of this video. So for the section English ability, for the section 1, okay, so if I am talking about English ability, so you will consider that it will already it is the part of cognitive section. So you can check the Face Prep website, IndiaBix website, English ability section, Java T Point website, and soon we will share one video that is related to that is on our channel. Okay, so basically this is the free resources for the examination and for the English ability section. For critical reasoning section, you can check IndiaBix website, Geeks for Geeks website, Face Prep website, and soon we will share also video that is related to critical reasoning. For the abstract reasoning, you can check Topper website. Okay, there are so many good questions that is related to abstract reasoning. For the for IndiaBix and Face Prep website have also question. Okay, so basically these are the good websites that is very good for your preparation. As well as for the pseudocode, you can check San Foundry website and Face Prep website. Okay, most important, these two websites are very most important. You can check, and you will get a different type of question, as well as we will also share one previous year questions video soon on our channel that is related to pseudocode. So basically for the common application in MS Office, you can check the textbook website, Merit Note website, and our channel. So these two websites are very helpful in the common application in MS Office. So you can just type on Google that MS Office MCQ question. So you can check the textbook and Merit Notes website. For the networking, security and cloud, San Foundry website and Face Prep website is very good. For the section 2 coding, you can check HackerRank, HackerEarth, or you can practice previous year question. Just type on Google what are the previous year questions of Accenture, and you can solve the coding question, because you have to pass test cases you have to pass different test cases to clear this coding examination. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus, pattern, resources, and strategy. So if you have any queries regarding Accenture examination, you can ask in the comment section or DM on Instagram. Okay, so मैं आप सभी को यही कहना चाहता हूँ, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। आप सभी यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत कर रहे हैं। देखिए, ये वन ऑफ द गुड न्यूज है कि एसेंशियल ने फाइनली अपनी एग्जाम अनाउंस्ड कर दी है। सो आई सजेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी। आप यहाँ पर शेयर करें, मैंने आपको फ्री रिसोर्सेज बता दिए। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, लेट मी नो दैट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। सून आप सभी के लिए वीडियोस आने वाली है। लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।